Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable installing apps in store purchases and re-downloads on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X for your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then after that, in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then in the content and privacy restrictions, click the iTunes and App Store purchases. Then after that, in the iTunes and App Store purchases, click the installing apps. Then after that, in this part, if you want to enable the installing apps, just click allow until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to disable, just click don't allow until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled installing apps in store purchases and re-downloads on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!